Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Yes, our topic of discussion is adjective endungen. In this, today we will learn the Westminster article. As you have all very well aware for the Westminster article table, but still we will revise it one more time. Nominative masculine is their, nominative feminine is the, neutrum nominative is das, plural nominative is the. Accusative masculine is then, feminine is the, neutrum is das and plural is the. For dative, masculine is them, feminine dative is they, neutrum dative is them and for plural it is then plus n. Yeah. Now let's see what are the adjective endungen for all this. Yeah, for this gun-like structure pointing towards you is all the adjective endungen is E and for remaining it is EN. Yeah, you have to memorize it. Now let's see few example. Zum Beispiel, ich kaufe das schon Haus. Now das Haus is neutrum. Now what is the adjective endungen for das Haus? It is E. Ich kaufe das schöne Haus. One more example. Das schon Haus is teuer. Again it is das Haus. Again das schöne Haus is teuer. One more example. Sie kaufen den Schwarzstift. Stift is their stift. Okay. So this is then. Kaufen is there. Action is there. That's why it is accusative. So for accusative masculine it is en. So Sie kaufen den schwarzen Stift. One more example. Die kleinen Kinder spielen draußen. Small kids are playing outside. Now here die Kinder. Okay. So die is a plural. Ending is en. Die kleinen Kinder spielen draußen. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Auf Wiedersehen.